everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are heading into the beautiful Bonda Ghati of our Khairpur, and I'm not going alone. My mother and my younger sister are with me. And guess what, guys? We are going to collect some fresh bamboo shoots. A question must be arising that why it is called as a Bonda Ghati. So let me clear your doubt. Bonda comes from the name of the Bonda tribe, one of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups of Odisha, and Ghati means mountains or hills. This region is located in the Khairpur block of Malkangiri district of Odisha, which is hilly and full of mountains and valleys. So, the area is called Bonda Ghati because it is the main habitat of the Bonda peoples. I must say, just enjoy the beautiful view of nature. Bonda Ghati is famous for its untouched nature, unique tribal culture, and rich biodiversity. During monsoon, this place becomes even more magical, and it's also the perfect season for bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots are favorite ingredient in many local dishes here, but to get them, you have to trek into the forest, find the right bamboo clumps and dig carefully, or even you can get them from weekly local markets. It feels like on the way the road comes alive as we ride our scooty further along the winding road. The scenery begins to change, the mountains rise ahead and their peaks touching the clouds while the fresh mountain air surrounds us with peace. क्या नजारा है guys? Wow! My mother knows exactly where to find them. So finally, we reached our destination, and by the side of the hilly road, we carefully parked the scooty. And from here, the real journey begins. अबे उधर ले See this? This is tender and fresh. We have to remove it before it grows too hard. We begin collecting fresh bamboo shoots. My mother shows us the right way to dig them out, and my little sister is helping me. And here is the Lakshmi bus packed with the passengers heading to Mudalipada. हाँ रे Now we have collected a good amount of fresh bamboo shoots from the forest of Bonda Ghati. It is not just about food, but it is also about tradition. In tribal areas, bamboo shoots are collected and preserved for the whole year. They are cooked fresh, dried, or even fermented.
ई से बड़ देख गाई चरा रही देख ले क्या
A little further down the road, we reach Makarchola waterfall. Its crystal clear water rushes down the rocks, refreshing the air around it. On the way, we stop by the roadside under the cool shade of a big tree. Sitting together, we peel the fresh bamboo shoots, and this is the amount of bamboo shoots that we have collected today.
Ayun masa guro sa. Tako suon to rin.
Tak bede. Sabay sige na. Baro.
Finally, we head back home carrying the bamboo shoots and the memories of the day. Thank you everyone for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more. See you in the next one.
Jadi sila.